Jason over at Exclusive Customs. Today we're gonna do a really quick rundown. This is all these videos I see too long. Dyna S ignition with coil, 70 to 2003 Harley with a carb. This bike happened to be fuel injected. I switched it over. What you're gonna do is take out your plugs, put your trans in 4th, 5th, 6th gear, rotate your transmission. Sorry, let me step back a little bit. You got this little plug that sits right here. You're gonna pop that out. That's your inspection plug. You're gonna rotate that back tire. You see them little dots? I got two, most bikes only have one. You're gonna rotate it till you get to that. That puts you at top dead center. And we're gonna go over to the other side of the bike. Pull everything out of here. We're not using any of this. You got your mechanical and this little adapter with the screw. Screw's not a big deal. So this adapter, it's got a notch in it. If you look at your mechanical, you got that little block right there that goes on there. You got a little notch in the bottom of it. If you look right there, all you're gonna do is put that in, make sure that it lines up with that. Boom. You're gonna take your bolt, don't over tighten this bolt. It'll cause you a world of headache that you are not ready for. You're gonna take your plate. Mind you, I'm also trying to do this one-handed. You're gonna take your plate, put that in there. You're gonna take these two, put those back on. One goes there, one goes there. You got your wires, they go through here, down. I brought mine around. Boom. You got your white, goes on this side. The blue wire goes on the other side. You got your main ignition wire, which on this particular bike is a 97. It's white with a black line. That goes into this side for your 12 volts. Once you do that, you're pretty much done. Put this back together, put your cap back on, put your plug